Hello guys, welcome back for another video of How to Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset the surface and the oil indicator of a Volkswagen Arteon. This one has a building year of 2021. There are two types of surface indicators. One is the oil surface indicator and one is the inspection indicator. Let's start right away. First of all, press or turn the ignition on for the second position. Then we're gonna go to driving data by going through the menu button. Driving data, this one. And then press down to find total range. This one. Press OK to enter total range. Then we're gonna use the OK button for 10 seconds to enter the surface menu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when you release it, you'll see that you entered the surface menu. Scroll down for surface reset, oil reset. Press OK. Then scroll down again for reset inspection. Once again press OK and you'll see that both the indicators has been reset. Do the check. Ignition off, ignition back on, and you'll see that the surface indicator isn't visible anymore. This was a Volkswagen Arteon 2021. I hope you enjoyed it and it helped you. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.